Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is a 3D embossed knitting pattern. It is like a pearl. It is very easy to knit also. From the right side it looks like this. And from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 8 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups. Thank you and keep supporting me. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 12 stitches on my needle, 12 multiple of 2. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch, then yarn in front and slip 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit 1, yarn in front and slip 1. So the repeat pattern is yarn remain in the front and knit 1 stitch like this, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch. One more repeat, yarn in front, knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch purlwise. One more repeat, yarn in front, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in front, knit 1 like this, and yarn in front, slip 1. So last is our edge stitch, knit the last edge stitch like this. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front and slip these 2 stitches. Friends, this is yarn over and this is a stitch. So slip these 2 stitches like this. Then wrap yarn around it. Here 3 stitches are found, 1, 2 and 3, and purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is slip 2 stitches, then wrap yarn around it and purl the next stitch. One more repeat, slip 2 stitches purlwise, wrap yarn around it like this and purl 1 stitch. One more repeat, slip 2 stitches, wrap yarn around it and purl 1 stitch. Then slip 2 stitches, wrap yarn around it like this and purl 1 stitch. So last is our edge stitch, purl that stitch. Third row, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1. Friend, here now 3 stitches are formed, 1 stitch and 2 yarn over, 1 yarn over in the first row and 2nd yarn over in the second row. So now we will again make a 3 stitches here. So knit these 3 stitches together and make 1 like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit 1, knit 3 stitches together like this, knit 1, knit 3 stitches together, knit 1, knit 3 stitches together, knit 1, knit 3 stitches together. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the last edge stitch. Fourth row, we will purl all the stitches in the 4th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Friends, after the 4 rows of our half pattern is done, now we will form this pattern in between these, here, here, here and here. So now the fifth row of the pattern is slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front and slip one stitch purlwise and yarn in front and knit the next stitch. In first row there was knit one and then slip one, but in the fifth row there is slip one first and after that knit one stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in front, slip one stitch and yarn in front and knit the next stitch. One more repeat, yarn in front, slip one, yarn in front and knit one like this. Yarn in front, slip one, yarn in front and slip, knit the next stitch. One more repeat, yarn in front, slip one and yarn in front, knit the next stitch. In this way we will complete our fifth row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the last edge stitch. Sixth row, slip the edge stitch, after that purl one stitch. After these two stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front and slip these two stitches like this and wrap yarn around it like this and purl the next stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is slip two stitches, wrap yarn around it the needle like this and purl the next stitch. One more repeat, slip two stitches, wrap yarn around the needle and purl one stitch. Slip two stitches, wrap yarn around needle and purl one stitch. Slip two stitches, wrap yarn around the needle and purl the next stitch. Seventh row, slip the edge stitch, after that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, friends, now here 3 stitches, 1 stitch and 2 yarn over. So now knit 3 stitches together like this and knit 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit 3 stitches together, knit 1, knit 3 stitches together, knit 1, knit 3 stitches together, knit 1, knit 3 stitches together and knit 1. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the last edge stitch. 8th row, we will purl all the stitches in the 8th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 8 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 8 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 8 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.